videos. So yeah, let's get started. Here's what I'll be making it in. There's not much left. That's some compact solution. Little at a time. So it starts to come together after you add the compact solution. Just keep on adding more and more and more. If it still doesn't come together after you add a lot, then just add a little bit more shaving cream. If it still doesn't come together, try adding a little bit more contact solution, add shaving cream, and I don't know, do whatever. There are a few other ways to make peel off face mask slime, but this is my way of doing it because it works the best for me. I don't know if you have to use a certain kind of peel off face mask, but this one works, and I'm sure other ones work, so you do. This is peel off gel mask, not a face mask. I don't know if it's the same thing. I don't know why I got this kind. Whoa. So back when it's done. So before it comes together, I'm gonna add some blue paint. Because it might get on my hands when the slime's done. I'm trying to make a cotton candy color. So I'm gonna add a little bit more contact solution. Shaving cream. Whoa, so hot. I don't think I'll need all of it. So I'm just not gonna use all of it. And it's still very sticky. I just don't need any more shaving cream. Trying to get it out of there. Okay. So I hope that worked. Or I hope it will work. I've been coughing for the last few days and I'm trying not to cough. So I'm and I'm also going to be making a pink slime, pink peel off face mask slime. So then it'll be like cotton candy. Okay, so I think I finally finished. And this slime is really good, really good. And now I'm gonna make a purple one. I don't know how I did that thing before. Okay. This one's also going to take a while, which is great. So great. Okay guys, so I mixed it all together like this. This time and because I I think I finished. This one is pretty quick because I added all the shaving cream in the beginning. It'd be a bit too much shaving cream. But paint will help. Oh wait, no, I don't have a pink paint. I guess. Doesn't work that well. Now the other side of the marker works better. Wonder if it's gonna do anything. Probably will a little. Yeah. This one is very fluffy. I think I need to use a different paint. This one, I guess. Whoa. This one works well. And I will show you guys which container I'm going to put it in. This pink is perfect for cotton candy. And I love the color of this pink. I want it to be like a dark cotton candy color. Like the blue ones, but darker. So I want this one to be like that. Just pink. So this one is not the same slime. And I'm done. Here's the blue. Here's the pink. Don't they look different? This one just looks like white glue. The other one looks like face mask, peel-off face mask, or clear glue. So, this video was kind of weird. And I finished drawing this picture today. It's horrible. I don't know what you think. It's Pearson Park. I was just doing something random, so I didn't look at Pearson Park at all. So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, like, and See you